If you want better oil control and less mess while cooking, this simple kitchen tool might surprise you. This is the YARRAMATE 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. What makes it stand out is its 2-in-1 design, so you can spray oil lightly or pour it when cooking needs a bit more. It's made from BPA-free borosilicate glass, which feels solid and safe for everyday use. The transparent body helps you keep track of oil levels, and the ergonomic handle makes spraying comfortable and clean. Each spray releases about 0.2 grams of oil, making it perfect for salads, air fryers, grilling, and roasting while helping reduce excess oil in your meals. Pros: excellent oil portion control, spray and pour in one bottle, easy refilling, and healthier cooking. Cons: the glass body needs careful handling, and spraying is manual. Overall, if you're aiming for cleaner, healthier, and more controlled cooking, the YARRAMATE oil sprayer is a smart and affordable kitchen upgrade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech and home product reviews.